Yeah, he's fine. This one, with that physique, will suit him down.
Wow. I like the next one in Sintra. I like the dirty. I like the dirty.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing today. This is like supposed to be my studio vlog, and that was it. It's 12:15, and this is my studio, by the way. I'm just going to show you a few things, but I just can't get into doing anything. I'm supposed to be like making a pattern, but I can't. My brain is not focused on doing that. I'm supposed to be like cleaning that up and making it into a pattern. I can't. I've just sat here. I've had to charge my mouse battery up on my thing, so I couldn't do much with it. But I'm watching some YouTubes. And me and Cyril are sitting here, aren't we? Yes. And it's snowing outside, and it's freezing. I did that the other day. Was it yesterday? Oh, I don't know. I loaded it up onto YouTube, so you've probably seen that. And I'm doing this as well. I started this before Christmas. It was like I was inspired to paint with some oils, and I don't know. It's not me. It's not me. I've lost myself somewhere, and I'm not quite sure why. I was like taking it out of this book, this old sketchbook. You've probably seen this. There's the flower paintings. Oh, it is in here. I can't find it. Where is it? There we go. That one I did in, I think that's gouache. But I was trying to do it in oils, and my oils are still out. Cyril's still helping. You're helping, aren't you? But it's just one of those days where, I don't know, I've still got to tidy up my studio. I have moved it around a bit, as you can see. But I don't know, my brain can't settle. I'll show you this. I've been messing around with what do you call it? My gouache, because I got that out. So I'm like bored of watercolour. And then I've got my oil pastels, and I did some birds. So yeah, I quite like those. And these ones. I'm running out of, I can't talk either. I keep running out of memory, so I'm just doing this on my iPad. Yeah, I find it easier on my phone because I've always got my phone with me. But I have tidied up my studio a bit, and I mean, you would have seen. You'll see the snow outside. Snow. There's not much snow, thankfully, but yeah. I did move stuff around, but I haven't finished. So I don't know. I haven't finished doing it yet. So I've utilised that window that I said I wanted to on the last vlog, but I'm not sure. There's something wrong with my brain at the moment. I can't concentrate. Maybe it has something to do. Still, good boy. To do with being burgled. That's where they broke in. Thanks for that, guys. And I've still got all the mess to tidy up. Everywhere just feels a bit of a mess, and I don't know. Have you ever felt the time when you feel, I don't know, not yourself? You feel lost. I mean, I've got my jewellery stuff out because I've been making jewellery bits again. I've been making spoon rings and stuff, and the guinea pigs are over there. Hi guys. It's a scratch. And yeah, so I don't know. I want to get back into painting, and I can't. I want to do some more painting. And then I'm stuck. No, I want to do videos of these paintings that I do, because I want to get back into doing that, because I feel I've got this urge to paint and I can't, and I don't know, because I've got a million other things to do. You know, and you have bills to pay, and things happen, like a hole in the roof and burgled and everything. And sorry, I'm having a rant now, and you can't see me, you're just looking around my studio. It's a mess, isn't it? Well, it isn't a mess really, it's creative. I haven't been painting like this for a while. I think that was the last painting I did, like big painting. I did some little paintings and some cats and things, but last year, but I didn't do much, and I've lost my way. I've been like I do my watercolours loads, because that's easy painting. It's easy for me to do because I don't have to think. This painting is more, what do you call it, emotionally attached to me. I paint like from feelings and whatever, and I call this sort of thing my proper art, if you know what I mean. I don't know, there's some more over here. I get bored of looking at that one. These ones that aren't finished, well, the one underneath is finished. That one's finished. That's one I did years ago. But this big one, I want to finish this big one. I started this last year. Was it last year or the year before? And I wasn't in the right frame of mind, and everything was just too much. And I couldn't do it. Yeah, Cyril thinks I'm talking to him, bless him. And there's some more up here. These are, well, that's, did I do that a couple of years ago? So I haven't managed to. Oh, I don't know. I've got to take my Christmas decorations down as well. It's the 6th of January. It's my birthday tomorrow, and I can't get my head in the right place to actually do anything. I'm just like walking around, staring at things, and thinking what a mess everywhere is, and I don't know. I'll stop my ranting now. Anyway. I'll catch up with you later.
You are so hard to find.